So good afternoon. Last week the RMB has finally entered the basket of the IMF SDR special drawing rights. Some very important news here in China. The media covered it a lot, but in reality we think this has really very little practical impact on the world of international finance. For many reasons. First of all, the SDR is not used very much. In fact, in the history of SDR, it has only been used very few times and in very special situations. Reason number two, the overall amount of the SDR is about $300 billion. The renminbi accounts for just over 10, almost 11% of the basket, so we're talking about $30 billion. Now think of this, in the market for currencies, which is dominated by euro, US dollar, yen and British pounds, every day, in one single day, the value traded is about $5 trillion. So the SDR basket, which accounts for only 300 billion, is basically equivalent to 90 minutes of trading of currency, the same as a football match. So not really very important in the world of international finance. The other thing we need to look at is that the use of renminbi in international trade has been steadily going up over the years, and people have got excited about it and have used this data as a proof that the renminbi is actually really now becoming an international currency. But now if we look at the trend in details, we see that this trend has peaked at the end of 2015. And since then, the usage of renminbi for international trade has gone down. What does this tell us? It tells us that the renminbi weight in international trade goes up when China needs it to go up. Remember, in January 2016, the IMF had granted China the provision to access the SDR. And that's exactly the time when the usage of the renminbi has stopped its growth path, hence has since then gone down. So it is almost as if this is used by China as a negotiating tool with the IMF, showing that the renminbi usage grows to get concession. And therefore we think that for all these reasons, this news really does not make any major impact in the world of international finance.